Hello student, this is Monica Chandra, class 3 from your Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today I'm going to teach you chapter 3 storage device from your computer, Masti. Student, I wondered how the computer remembers so many things. Just as a brain stored all the memories and other informations, the computer store games, songs, pictures, etc. in the storage device, just like we store cookies or chocolates in the jar. Yes, whatever you save on a computer is actually stored in the storage device. Storage devices are used to store information on the computer that we might need to access again in the future. Here are two storage devices. Computer storage device can be classified as a primary and second will be a secondary storage device. All the files are saved in the secondary storage device of the of the computer. When you click an icon on the desktop, the CPU search for the relevant file in the secondary storage device and copies the file in the primary storage device to use. When you paint using the computer, you click the Tux Paint icon. On clicking, the CPU finds the paint file and copies it to the primary storage device or the main memory. Once you finish painting and save it with a file name, it is saved in the secondary storage device. Now I knew the question arises, why we save our file in the secondary storage device, why not in the primary? So the primary storage device are situated very close to the CPU. So time taken of the CPU to access information to perform a task is very less as compared to the time taken to access information from the secondary storage device. So why does a computer need a secondary storage device? The size of a primary storage device is very small as compared to the size of the secondary storage device. Thus, it can store only a small amount of information also once the computer is switched off. All information stored in the primary storage device gets deleted. So we need another memory to store information for further use. So when we save a file, the information gets stored automatically in the secondary storage device for forever. The primary storage device that you see is RAM. The secondary storage device that you see is hard disk. Hard disk, the storage capacity of the hard disk is 1000 times compared to the RAM. RAM is the primary storage device inside the computer where the information is stored temporarily for quick access by the CPU. Hard disk is the secondary storage device inside the computer that can permanently store a large amount of information on the computer. You can transfer the song from the computer to the computer at home using a pen drive or a CD. This device can be attached to the computer whenever required and are called external storage devices. Means what are the external storage devices? You can say pen drives, CDs, that are external storage devices. So, some external secondary storage devices that will be the compact disc is a kind of a storage device popularly known as CD. It is cellular in shape. And the second will be DVD, that is digital versatile disc. It is stored device that look like a CD but can store 6 times more songs that are CD in it. And third will be pen drive. The pen drive is the latest storage device that is incredible easy to carry because of its size. It can even fit in your pockets. Okay, and equally easy to use because it can insert in a computer using a USB port. Now double tap. Students, do you know mobile is also having a secondary storage device, but in our phones, Android phones, we use memory card or the OTG. So I have given you question answers in the link. Please copy down that question answer in a separate notebooks. Thank you.